Morning guys, hope you had a great Halloween and you stayed safe and got the best candy out there. We took my kids to the best neighborhood out here in California and the candy bars are like this big, I swear. Like they went shopping at the good candy stores. They didn't go to the 99-cent stores to get some candy. They hooked these kids up. So last night was absolutely fun. We got big news today from Mullen Automotive, and right now we're trading at 28 cents. So I've been making videos, I've been making updates about the charts, and this is gonna be a longer video because I've been crazy busy. And I know some of my videos have been like less than 4 minutes. So I wanna talk a little bit of really what's going on with Mullen right now. They just got something secured, which is very, very good news. Before I do that though, don't forget to drop a like. Would always appreciate that. We gotta get this over 300 likes. We gotta get these videos up again. They're starting to kind of fade away. And I understand because Mullen is fading away, but we want Mullen to go up. And my goal is to show you where I believe Mullen is going next on the charts and what news I think they need to get this stock price moving the direction it needs to move. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. The goal is always 10,000 subscribers. I think today is my 1-year anniversary for YouTube. I made a video 1 year ago on November 1st or 2nd, I gotta check. It's a hilarious video. If you haven't seen it yet, go to my page, go to the oldest video. It's garbage, but it was my first one, so. And it's me being real and authentic. That's all that matters, right, at the end of the day. Don't forget to grab your coffee. Here's mine. Guys, so big news. Randy Marion got their license, and the thing that's really important about this is when they got their license for the Class 3 vehicles, guess what was delivered literally the same week? Class 3 vehicles. So are we gonna get some Class 1 vans delivered this week? That would be very positive news. We know Mullen has a NASDAQ extension, which is great news. They need to be $1 by December 20th, which is not that far away. It's literally, we have 30 days in November. Today's November 1st, then 20 days, and we need to be $1 right before Christmas. Do I think Mullen can do it? I think anything is possible, but I am going with the belief that a third reverse stock split is still gonna happen. I think there's too many shares out there for retail. I think a lot of pieces to this puzzle is showing us that a third reverse stock split is gonna happen, but that does not mean that we can't run up here very soon. And as of right now, we're up in pre-market, which is nice to see. So as we dive into the charts, let's look at a couple things because Mullen is starting to move off technicals, I believe. The dilution has been a mess. It's been happening since February of 2023. If you're new to the channel, you could just look at the charts and you'll see we fell off a freaking cliff at the end of February and it was just straight trash. Dumpster on fire, horrible times. But what we've been doing since then is we've been bringing our average down. We have been trading the stock. I haven't really put any more premium into the stock recently, but I have sold some of these little runs and bought in lower as I've been sharing with all of you. Of course, if you want to learn more about that, you can always join the Patreon down below. We talk about a lot of different stocks, and I do think we're going to see a run here very soon for a lot of those stocks that we've been talking about as the market looks to be bottoming out. But I do think we're entering an ultimate bear market, so we could have a bear market rally very soon and then a further crash. Of course, this is all my own opinion. This is not financial advice. This is just me looking at the news, looking at the charts, and been studying this for quite some time now. So we got the 3 main indicators. We got the Fibonacci, which I follow very closely on all time frames. And just talking about Fibonacci real quick, I made a video a couple days ago. I said, hey, we need to hold 25 cents. If we don't hold 25, then we're going much lower. And I still think we could get down to 17 cents if we didn't hold 25. We held 25 very nicely and we moved up, you can see right here, but we got rejected again. Okay, so we're not really getting over the Keltner channel in the middle line in the Keltner channel. We keep getting rejected. And also what I'll note is we're getting rejected at the 236 level on a Fibonacci, and that, for all of you just to know, is about 34 cents. Now we've gotten to 36 cents, but again, just sold off. You can see these long wicks. So this isn't looking the best. We definitely need to close above the 236 level. Then I think we can move up to the 382 level, which would be about 42 cents. I have it in bold white line right there for you. Okay, this would also be touching about the yellow line on the Keltner channel. So this might be an area what I would look towards to maybe sell some shares because I know how Mullen moves. This is just what I might do, and I don't even know if I will sell shares. I have to look at the RSI, I have to look at the stochastic, I have to look at everything and look at what has happened before for Mullen, and we're gonna be talking about all of that in my private Discord in the Patreon. And the reason I use Fibonacci's, and this is a daily time frame by the way, is these are gonna be strong levels of resistance, okay? This doesn't mean that we're gonna get to 42 cents and just sell off right away. We have to look at the RSI, the stochastic, we have to look at the Keltner channels, what has it done before, and then make the best decision from there. Of course, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my own opinion. You always got to do your own research. But again, this is good news with what Randy Marion has stated. And I am expecting, I would hope that Mullen drops some actual news today or tomorrow being Thursday, which I talked about yesterday. They usually drop news on Thursdays. And that would be very bullish. That shows that Mullen's heading in the right direction. People might start to buy into the company. And maybe we could push a little higher to $1 before they initiate that third reverse stock split. Don't forget to drop a like. Would always appreciate that. Think about subscribing, and we will see you on the next one.